Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with a clean rod blank and a loaded bobbin. This matters because oil ruins adhesion. First, secure the guide foot and hold the thread against the blank where the wrap begins, while keeping steady tension, about 0. 5 to 1 kilogram equivalent, you make 4-6 tight locking turns toward the tip to form an anchor. Once done, pull the thread back over the anchor so the wraps will seat flat. This prevents gaps and prepares the surface for neat, even layering. You continue by rotating the rod steadily. Consistent speed produces uniform wraps. As you lay thread over the guide foot, overlap each pass by roughly 1/3 of the thread width so the thread bed appears smooth. Make micro adjustments with your finger to maintain even tension. If the thread starts to cross, stop, lift, and reseat the thread, then continue. Once the full coverage is achieved, take 2 locking turns back toward the butt to trap the working end. This stabilizes the pattern before finishing. You finish the wrap with a whip finish or a pair of half hitches, then trim the tag end to about 1-2 millimeters so it won't peek through the epoxy. Next, apply thin epoxy coats while rotating the rod to avoid sags. Allow 6 to 12 hours between coats for tack-free curing. If you notice loose or crossed wraps, stop right away. Either rewrap the section or place a tiny drop of thin CA glue under the offending turns, then sand lightly and recoat. This corrects issues without rebuilding the whole wrap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.